In front of me is Realme GT60, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Allow in the pop-up. Then before recording, use those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust them however you want to. Then go back and click on this red button. Hit Allow, and as you can see, recording is now on. To turn it off and discard it, hit Cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the right one. Then switch your camera, take a pic, and to discard it, select X icon. To add it, click on the checkmark one. If you wish to end and save your recording, hit Save at the top right corner. Type in wherever you wish to and select Save in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom. To delete it, go back, hold it, and click on hold it and click on Delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!